What's going on, everybody? Today we're doing a oil analysis for Blackstone Laboratory. So inside of this is going to be a oil sample kit or oil analysis kit or whatever you want to call it. So while we change the oil, we are going to also take our oil sample and get that sent off, and we're going to see pretty much what kind of shape this 2014 Mazda 6 2.5 NA 185 horsepower Fury with 145-ish thousand miles. See what kind of shape it's in. All right, let me take this in here. So all right, listen on our favorite podcast platform, Slick Talk, Blackstone Laboratories. All right. And they also have a sticker for promotion of their podcast, which I'm not using. All right, so here we go. We have the container, the shipping container, Blackstone Oil Analysis, and it has blase, blase, blase. All right, so inside of this, we have some stuff. All right, so first off, we have a sticker. Going to focus. There we go. We have a questionnaire, and you can pause this if you want to see what the questionnaire says. All right, here we have, I guess, what to do. Do drive or fly for 15 minutes before sampling. It's okay. If you can't, just make a note. I did let my car idle, come up to temp. They say you want to do that to because sometimes moisture will accumulate, so you want to do that to evaporate the moisture. Yada yada yada, blase blase. If you want to see this, pause it. And then this is just, I guess, some pictures of their process. This is a absorption mat, so this will go around the sample bottle. That way, if it leaks, this will soak it up, and that way it won't leak and leak out of the bottle. So this is to help prevent any accidental spill or waste that may come out of the container. And then the sample container itself, I have to read to see how much. I plan on filling this bad boy all the way to the top and not providing any airspace in this bottle. That's what I'm gonna do, because airspace in bottles typically not a good thing. So I'm gonna fill it all the way to the top, full as what I can get it. I'm gonna try to have no airspace at all in this bad boy right here. So now that we broke down what all comes in the kit, let's get this bad boy ready. Let's get to it and let's do it. So right now I'm at 144,822. So that will push it out to 152. So I'll do 152,300. This way and over. It should start to drain. There we go. Just like so. So it works if you push it the right way. So I'm going to give it 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, 6 Mississippi, 7, 8, 9, 10. we go. Oh, I can't reach the cap. Can't reach the cap. There we go. All right, so let's get a little bit more in there. And then I'm gonna tighten this bad boy down. Woo! All right, and we have our oil analysis sample. Make sure the cap is all the way tight. Make sure that you have majority of the residual oil out, and we're going to let this bad boy drain. And I have my oil sample, and I'm going to fill out all the paperwork. I may do this twice. I may do this now and then do it at 7,500 more miles just to see if I get repeat results. It's time for bed. It is dark, but can we appreciate these Barina garage lights? Because like when I say it's dark outside, it's like dark. It is 10:29. It's dark, but these lights, you would have thought that it was daytime, but these lights are everything. These lights are excellent, and half of them you can't even see because the garage door is blocked. If you need some garage lights, you can watch my 2 videos ago maybe for my Barina T5 integrated LED light install. This is wonderful. This is bright. You can see everything. It's minimum shadows. It is excellent for working in your garage. So I think next I'm going to replace these lights. I'm gonna put some ceiling fans in here because it is hot. Found like 2 cheap ceiling fans because it is hot as I'll get out in this bad boy right here. But I'm going to send my oil analysis off to Blackstone Laboratories, and when we get it back, I'll hit y'all up, let you know the results. In the comments below, put what you think it's going to be. It's a 2014 Mazda 6 2.5 NA with 145,300 miles on it. So let me know what y'all think that result is going to be. Good, bad, you don't care. The car's running fine so far. It burns a quart of oil every 7,500 miles. So y'all let me know what y'all think it's gonna be. All right, I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.